Good day everyone. I'm here right now to present about the case summary of Bawal Baslos Suite in Cordillera. Actually, this is the first case in Cordillera region. There's two people involved in this case, the defendant Renan Padawi, aka Jack Floyd Sawyer on SOCMED. The complainant is Miss Mia Magdalena Pogno. The case began after the magnitude 7 Abra earthquake in July 2022. Mia Magdalena Pocno, an educator and administrator of Baguio Chronicles Facebook page, questioned President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. absence in rescue operations. Renan Padawi responded aggressively on social media with a video and post containing sexist remarks, sexual innuendos, and threats directed at Pocno. Pocno said Padawi further insulted her through his video clip by saying, "Baka kulang ka lang sa dilig, ano ka ba? Sino ka ba talaga ha? Gusto mong mag face to face tayo para ligawan na lang kita para manahimik ka dyan. Kung makapag-akala mo naman, kumbaga Renan Padawi aggressively comment on the Mia Magdalena post. Then the video has been viewed 73,100 views, generated 2,400 reaction, was shared by 380 people and drew 395 comments. Yun, naramdaman ni Pocno na yun, napahiya siya, then which made her fearful of being sexually assaulted. She said, "I feel unsafe online and in the real world. I've been suffering sleepless nights, public ridicule, embarrassment, anguish, and freedom of movement has been restrained because I fear for my safety," she said in the affidavit. Why it is a violation? Targeted, unwanted sexual harassment, emotional and psychological distress cause. Law applies to both online and physical spaces. By making and uploading the subject video clip, the respondent clearly committed the offense. First, he terrorized and intimidated the complainant. Second, he used information and communication technology to harass the complainant. Assistant Prosecutor Jorgenson Lagdao said in a 4-page resolution that was issued on August 25, Lagdao said Padawi expressed unwanted sexist remarks and had committed with sexual overtones to antagonize Pocno. Conclusion. First, conviction sets a precedent. Safe Spaces Act is enforceable. Continuing education and vigilance are necessary.